Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a type of performance-based marketing where the business pays affiliates for every customer brought by them. There are 3 roles in this process: the company, the customer, and the affiliate. All of them have different objectives. The company needs sales, customer needs products, and the affiliate needs money. Through affiliate marketing, all these objectives are achieved. So it's a win-win. An affiliate is a person who acts as a middleman between the company and the customer, where he directs or finds customers for the company's products through his own marketing efforts. Companies conduct affiliate programs to boost their sales. An affiliate program is an agreement between the business and an affiliate where he agrees to bring sales for a commission. This is how it works. The affiliate shares a personalized link on his social media or his blog. When a customer purchases the product through this link within a certain period which is based on the cookie life, the affiliate receives a commission. When it comes to the customer, whether he knows about this process or not, they get what they expected. So overall, all 3 parties are satisfied.